welcome to my channel. This is all about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new video. Today, join me in unboxing another piece from Louis Vuitton. It's a vintage one and a very iconic handbag. Can you guess it now? Okay, so by now I know you guessed it already. This is the Louis Vuitton bucket. This is in the PM size and it's one of the iconic handbags of Louis Vuitton that unfortunately already discontinued. If you may notice, there are some watermarks on this bag. The bag is not in very good condition, but it's still okay. Here's the bottom. It has 4 feet, and here's the bottom vachetta, which have some watermarks, and the canvas is still good, though I realized that there was a pen mark over here, which I did not notice. Even the seller did not notice at the time of her live on one of the shops in Japan, but she already bought it for me, so I guess I don't have a choice but to pay it and take this item. What's good about this bag is the interior, and see there's still a piece of paper here. As I mentioned, this item was bought from a shop in Japan. What I like about it is the interior is clean. It doesn't have any sticky, interior, which I normally see on the old and very used Louis Vuitton bucket bags. This bag usually comes with a pochette, but this one, originally it comes with a pochette, but this one doesn't have. But it's okay, I have a mini pochette that I can use instead. So see, even the interior pockets are all clean. There is no sticky, and yeah, just some watermarks here. Hopefully we'll try to clean that and see it will get any improvement. Here are some close-up photos of the bag. As you see, there are so many watermarks on the vachetta, and even the leather has very uneven patina. And I hope that it will improve after cleaning, and I will be sharing that with you, so please stay tuned. That's it for now. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you on my next one. Stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some lux. Bye!